What's up, people of the world? This is Big Bomb Jay. What's up, orchids of the world? I am here to react to Nona with this interview. I apologize if I'm pronounce. I can't even pronounce English. My, my pronunciation for Empat Nona Dan Satu or Ang Tu A. So, I am aware that there are subtitles. I did not know this exists, so thank you guys for who told me, especially those in comment sections, especially those who personally messaged me. For some reason, there's something wrong with my laptop, so I cannot record more than like 45 minutes. It's either I edit it or I would just do two parts. So I'm probably gonna go to probably like 20, what was that, 28 minutes, and then I'll do a part two. But right now, I'm gonna check out this first 28 minutes, and then I'm gonna do the part, and then I'm gonna, I guess, upload it, delete that video, and then obviously do part two. So hope you guys understand that. Also, because maybe people will not watch an entire hour, it would be better if we just did it in parts. So, anyways, Nona. Nona has been such a force to be reckoned with, especially in 2026 already, with Sizzle, obviously, with work. Like, honestly, I heard work in the gym and I'm like, damn, this is such a bomb song to like go to. And obviously, also giving you motivation because, man, every time I watch Nona videos and I see the guys that are in the videos, I'm like, damn, you lucky motherfuckers. But anyways, my bias of Nona, or my favorite member, is Christy. My bias wrecker, or my second favorite member, is Baila. They're hot. They're hot. They're just damn beautiful. There's no way to sugarcoat it. They are freaking hot, and they are just showing so much in terms of their talent, their visuals, their dance, their rapping, everything, and also their personalities. And this, speaking of personalities, this is the best way to get to know them. So I'm very excited for this. I want to get to know more about them. Maybe they'll talk about their upbringing and maybe even their favorite things, whatever the case is. We're gonna find out. So this is usually where my biases become confirmed because I get to see the personalities shine and I get to see, for example, like if Christie's bias is like Rose from Blackpink, done deal. So let's check this out. So I have a Discord. If you join my Discord, it's on link down below. You guys can do whatever you want there as long as you heed the rules, respect one another, don't find number of space. Be a multi stand just like me. I have also seen Nona in Head in the Clouds. I saw them live. If you guys want to watch that, it is on my vlog down below. So let's go.
Hari ini kita kedatangan
Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna put it there just because it's easier for me.
Nona. Terima kasih lo udah mampir ke sini.
Thank you for having us.
Ya,
What's
dari
English?
podcast pertama
Oh, never mind,
kalian.
Yes.
Yang serius. Biasanya di kamar kita.
Oh ya, udah
Iya,
sering
benar.
sering
Biasanya
di
kita
kamar.
podcast-podcastan sendiri.
Oh iya, oh iya, makasih udah mampir ke sini, udah jadi tempat podcast pertama juga. Teman-teman dari Nona boleh dikenalin kali ya sebelum kita mulai satu persatu dari Baila.
I'm also texting someone, so it's kind of important. So I hope you. Thank you.
So,
Oh,
hello, I'm Nona Baila. Ramai banget ini.
Rame lo hari ini penuh lo.
Hi, I'm Nona Esther.
Estelle.
Hi, I'm Nona Christy.
Oh, the black hair. Ooh.
I'm Nona Shaz.
Aku Om Radit. Nona semuanya ya. Dari namanya dulu kali ya, itu kok bisa namanya
See, I don't know this. We'll find out today.
Nona dan spellingnya itu no spasina. Kan kalau dalam pikiran kita kan Nona disambung tuh. Emang Nona apa gimana tuh ada
Kita
ceritanya?
pengen beda aja sih.
I forgot about
Pengen
this.
beda sih.
Pengen
Biar
beda aja.
Different aja.
Oke.
Sebenarnya nama tuh kita ada banyak banget sih. Bang, kayaknya ada 100 lebih kali ya nama yang kita pikirin. Tapi Nona kayak stuck with us aja gitu. We fought really hard for that name actually.
Oke.
Karena menurut kita Nona kita banget gitu. Ya.
Oke, jadi artinya kan kalian dikumpulin sama ATI Rising ya berarti ya. Itu kalian di scouting satu-satu, di kontak personally atau kayak ada semacam audisinya sih? Waktu itu gimana?
Di kontak satu-satu personally.
Social media.
Wow,
Lewat sosial
imagine.
media. Kok masih
that's
ingat
crazy.
pertama kali apa di DM kah?
Dia di DM
Oke.
sama ibunda yang satu itu.
Ibunda yang satu ini
Ibu yang satu itu malu. ya.
pernah ini nggak kayak ini beneran nggak sih ini penipuan?
Oh
nggak
yeah,
sih?
someone did think, yeah. I
Semuanya
remember
merasa
that
penipuan
part.
ya?
Iya.
Gimana
karena
tuh ceritanya kalau kamu?
awalnya langsung disuruh ke LA gitu kan untuk ketemu.
Buset, kaget juga tuh.
Oh yeah, that's crazy, right?
Iya. Amerika
Going to Italy right away.
Langsung bikin visa gitu-gitu. Jadi kayak my mom was like takutnya itu human trafficking.
Yeah, that was the first thing that came in my head.
Disuruh admin judol, jangan-jangan ya kan? Kita
Tapi
nggak
nggak
tahu.
salah kan? Karena kayak DM-nya tuh kayak do you want to be a part of global girl group gitu.
Wow.
Langsung besar.
Iya sih.
Scam.
Come scam.
Waktu itu deg-degan.
Iya, tapi
Ngomong ke mama juga hati-hati itu.
iya, jadi
Iya,
sampai
hati-hati.
mami bikin visa juga karena
Buat
aku harus
temenin.
ikut gitu kan.
Oke.
Iya.
Esther juga punya pengalaman yang sama berarti.
Mirip-mirip. Sebenarnya yang kontak aku itu malah temannya Shaz.
There's so many. Wow, there's so many similarities to Filipino Tagalog. Na contact ako, like they contacted me. It's almost the same.
Mirip-mirip. Sebenarnya yang kontak aku
Yeah, ako, me. Wow, that's cool.
itu malah temannya
It's
Shaz.
very similar
Okay.
to
Teman sekelas
Filipino.
Shaz. Jadi Shaz itu yang pertama di headhunt sama manajer kita sekarang.
Oke,
Jadi
oke.
Shaz yang
Right,
pertama
I said double
setuju
check
untuk
something
jadi
quick.
bagian dari this girl group.
Oop, hold on. I'm not gonna bother you, Esther. Okay, we're just checking.
Nah, Shaz
We're good.
yang ditanya, kamu ada nggak kenal teman-teman atau ada cewek Indonesia yang bisa nyanyi, bisa nari?
Oke.
Kenal teman-teman atau ada cewek Indonesia yang bisa nyanyi, bisa nari? Nah, dia
Wow.
nawarin aku sama Baila.
Oh, kamu
Jadi-
memang kenal mereka berdua? Atau
Tidak.
Kok kamu bisa nawarin mereka?
I already knew the guy from social media gitu. Because Esther was
That's
from
crazy.
Indonesian Idol. I knew her from that. And then Viola was already like a star.
She was a star.
Jadi
Iya, karena kamu suka nyanyi ya.
Suka.
Di apa solo ya waktu itu kan?
Iya, and I know their quality. Jadi aku kayak Esther and Viola gitu.
And thankfully we were already on the list
Iya.
of the headhunter. Jadi kayak
Perfect.
Oh, cocok berarti
Iya.
karena di list kita
Oh,
juga
how did
ada.
Christy join?
Oke,
Sick.
kalau Christy sendiri gimana kan mereka?
Nah.
Ini nih melalui jaringan pertemanan nih.
yang ini susah nih.
Iya, aku agak jauh ya. Aku kan di Lombok deket
Oke.
Bali. Terus tiba-tiba aku di chat sama orang.
Wow,
Terus
so similar,
dia
yeah.
bilang, kamu bisa nyanyi nggak? Wah, aku langsung kayak, oke, skip.
Skip.
Kenapa skip? Karena tiba-tiba
Karena
langsung.
tiba-tiba nyanyi. Aku kan
Oke.
nggak bisa nyanyi waktu itu.
Oke.
Ya.
Oh, memang kamu bukan.
Oh, really?
No.
She
Kamu
can
juga
sing.
idol kan kalau nggak salah dulu?
Enggak.
Enggak ya? Idol kamu aja.
Kita berdua.
Esther dan
Oh, kamu Baila yang sempat idol juga. Oke,
Aku langsung
lalu?
kayak, wah, nggak bisa nih. Nggak bisa nih, nggak bisa.
Oke.
Terus lama-lama aku menghilang dari aku nggak bales si orangnya. Terus si Edit Rising-nya langsung kayak
Wow,
komen aku
from the
di
big-
TikTok.
big-
Mungkin dia
big
mau
time.
mastiin kayaknya dia takut aku tuh kayaknya orang ini nggak
Takut.
percaya deh ini.
Yeah, takut ako. Yeah, I'm afraid. Damn, there's a lot of similarities in Indonesia. I didn't know that.
Jadi dia komen aku
Damn.
di TikTok. Terus dia follow aku. Terus
Follow the call. What? I'm so shocked right now.
di Instagram
Okay.
juga.
Mm-mm.
Sebenarnya aku udah yakin, oh ini Edit Rising. Tapi aku kayak nggak yakin dengan suara vokal aku aja gitu.
Oke. Karena kamu kan di International Dance Asia Competition kalau nggak salah 2019 ya waktu itu ya.
Iya.
Itu mungkin mereka ngelihat kamu bisa dance.
Iya, pasti.
Terus mau nanya bisa nyanyi juga nggak
Iya,
gitu kali
iya,
ya?
iya,
Dan
iya.
kamu nggak pede.
Dan aku nggak pede.
Oke, lalu.
Jadinya aku menghilang lama dan akhirnya salah satu teman aku tiba-tiba telepon aku. Dia bilang,
Oke.
Christy, ini kamu nggak jawab ya? Dia bilang. Terus aku kayak udah mikir, kok dia bisa tahu? ini
Itu
serem
siapa
banget.
teman itu?
Temen deket aku. Jadi salah satu aku sering dance bareng sama dia
Oke.
gitu. Dan ternyata si orang yang kontak ini tahu kalau aku yang paling deket tuh sama dia. Karena
Wah,
aku
gokil loh ini.
Serem ya.
Ini
Damn, good friend though.
Ibu ini nih.
Iya, serem dia.
Oh, keren.
Nah, katanya
Head
malah
huntingnya mantap.
iya katanya mau malam aku mau ditanya ke apa Kak? Orang gubernur.
Governor.
Cari
Iya.
jalan gitu.
Nanya petugas sensus ya. Di mana?
Karena atlet.
Iya,
Atlet,
iya.
kamu atlet apa tuh?
Aku atlet gimnastik.
Oh, gimnastik.
Very, very
Semua tuh
obvious
di
seeing
Asia,
the
di
work
Asia.
video.
Oke, lalu.
And then
Wow.
teman aku langsung bilang, ini kesempatan bagus, dia bilang gitu. Terus aku kayak nanya, emang iya ya?
Emang iya ya kesempatan bagus
Iya,
ya.
aku bilang kayak, emang iya ya? Iya, ini kamu coba aja dulu. Ini tuh Edit
Oh, she
Rising,
seems so
apa,
elegant, bro.
company besar, dia bilang gitu. Terus aku kayak, coba deh kamu tanyain itu harus bisa nyanyi atau enggak.
Oke.
Aku selalu tekanin di masalah vokal karena kayak
Oke.
aku banyak banget kurang karena aku bener-bener nggak pernah belajar sama sekali.
Oke. Wah seru nih. Terus
Jadinya,
akhirnya
aku oke deh aku bales gitu. Terus tapi tetap aku kayak lama gitu nunda-nunda, akhirnya temen aku langsung bilang udah belum. Dia setiap hari kayak ngecekin aku buat
Good friend.
kamu udah balas belum.
kayaknya
Oke,
dia
oke.
juga ngejar deh.
If the friend ever watches this, I want to say congratulations on forcing her. Just kidding. No, like
Tanyain dong
guilt
teman kamu
trip
dong.
her.
Udah.
Yeah, right.
Terus aku
Yeah,
kayak
'cause
oke
Christy,
sekarang akhirnya
That
langsung
girl.
berlanjut ke interview selanjutnya dan aku lolos gitu.
Di interview di tes nyanyi juga nggak waktu itu?
Syukurnya enggak.
Oh enggak.
Iya.
Akhirnya begitu kumpul baru tuh ada mentoring kah atau apa
Ada
kah?
pertama kita kumpul langsung suruh nyanyi ya.
Pertama
kan?
kali kita ngumpul.
Ah,
Dites
kita
dulu
tes.
sih.
Ketemu
kita
di
recording
LA?
bareng di Jakarta.
Oh, jadi belum ke LA tuh.
Belum.
Oh, dikumpulin di Jakarta.
Iya.
Pertama ketemu awkward nggak sih? Karena baru kenal. Apalagi kamu kan?
Iya,
Mungkin
apalagi
Christy,
aku.
karena Christy mungkin introvert.
Iya.
Oh gitu.
Dikelilingi
Siapa?
kakak-kakak ekstrovert ini semua.
Extrovert.
Jadinya kayaknya dia dulu paling
Oh iya.
tapi lucu loh dulu dia.
Christy ini paling muda juga.
No,
paling
tua.
the oldest. Yeah.
Iya, harusnya main tebak-tebakan.
Karena dia
Aku udah
sekarang
bilang.
harus
Oh iya betul.
Jadi karena dia
Chaz the
harus
youngest.
tebak kita semua usianya berapa.
Oh,
Nggak usah
usia
usianya.
banget nih.
Siapa yang paling tua, siapa yang paling
Oke,
muda?
siapa yang paling
Siapa
tua?
paling tua, siapa paling muda? Tadi kamu udah bilang dia ini umurnya, kayaknya dia di tengah nih. Dia benchmarkku, dia di tengah.
Oke.
Berarti aku patokannya dia nanti siapa yang di bawah, siapa di atas.
Oke.
Oke. Baila udah pasti di bawah dia.
Oke.
Oke. Kamu kayaknya di atas dia.
Oke.
Nah. Kamu di atas dia.
Oke, berarti
Berarti
Esther,
Esther,
Kamu
Chaz,
Christy,
Christy,
Baila.
Baila.
Sebenarnya
Yang paling
muda
tua.
ya,
Oh, paling muda.
Paling muda. Chaz.
Ade.
That's why we call her Ade.
Oh,
'cause
gitu.
she's the youngest.
yes, I'm the youngest.
And
the
then
tallest.
and then me and Esther
Kita
satu
Satu umur.
sama, and then Chris
dia yang paling
Paling tua.
Dia paling muda. Apa paling tua?
Paling tua.
kita seumuran.
Gak usah aneh-aneh ya. Tiba-tiba ya. Either kamu pikir aku muda atau aku yang kaget nih.
Hey, you look young though.
Oh wow. Wow, tapi dia paling tua, cuman yang paling introvert.
Iya.
Jadi kalian harus mengajarkan dia untuk gitu.
nggak mengajarkan sih, lebih ke ayo
paling
dimaksakan.
Ya tapi aku bener-bener kayak nggak bisa tanpa mereka. Kalau kemana-mana aku malu banget. Terus kayak
Kebayang
harus kayak dituntun dulu sini.
Oh no, she's
Jangan
Zoro
lagi
from
dia.
One
Oh,
Piece,
iya.
just
Sering
lost
Kalau
all the
dia
time.
terbang sendiri harus video call dulu sama
Iya,
kita.
aku
Ini
kayak-
gate mana?
Aku
ini
selalu kayak
ngantri
sebelum
di-
terbang
That's
HP
so
kalian
fun.
on ya gitu.
Kita udah nggak tidur itu nungguin dia sampai harus transit. Kita bangun loh.
Iya,
Aku
jam
cuma
3 pagi juga.
Sini.
Truly introvert.
kamu udah di mana?
Segitu ininya nggak bisa dilepas ya kamu berarti. Apa kamu takut aja, takut salah gitu ya?
Enggak sih karena sebenarnya aku lumayan mandiri.
Ini majuin aja kali ya.
Boleh aku bawa aja nggak? Sebenarnya aku
So
lumayan
cute.
mandiri, cuman kayaknya karena ini juga pengalaman pertama aku keliling, terus pergi ke luar negeri, and then manggung segala macam, jadi kayak butuh ada support system aja sih.
Tapi sekarang langsung kayang dong di.
Itu dia. Kalau itu dia nggak perlu bantuan kita. Kalau itu kita nggak perlu bantuan kita angkat tangan kalau
Lagi
gitu.
Keren loh. Oke, jadi pertama kali
My God.
ketemu di studio di Jakarta itu untuk ngecek chemistry kah atau emang udah sign baru dicoba atau
Belum
gimana
ya,
tuh?
Belum.
selesai.
Itu benar-benar cek chemistry,
Cek
kita
semua
recording
sih.
lagu, terus ada dance-nya juga. Nah di situ aku baru pengen pulang di situ sih.
Oh, jadi kamu justru agak-agak perlu belajar kalau dance.
Bukan agak-agak perlu tapi harus belajar kayaknya.
Tapi kamu keren kok di video klip, kamu kadang suka pakai
That's our Violet.
Baila Ariana Grande. Yeah, yo, it's crazy. Baila really gives off Ariana Grande. Even the hair, bro. I don't. Again, no one get me on the words there. Someone hated on me for saying that. I'm like, yeah, I love Ariana Grande. I love Baila. I love them differently. Baila is an incredible vocalist. For me personally, my favorite vocalist in the group. And damn, she's hot.
Dan bantuan mereka.
And she just seems like a very just chill person to be around. Like she just seems like that very like happy pill, where like she always make you feel comfortable just to talk to, even probably fans. I'm assuming like she is very like awesome with fans.
Semua.
Oke.
Kalau aku nggak bisa sih sampai sekarang kayak.
Di tesnya gimana?
Humble,
untuk
like
dance
very
waktu
humble. Because especially
pertama kali
she's
ketemu?
been doing this for a while too. So
Ada
Khusus
bikin
kah?
koreo
Ada
gitu.
bikin koreo, harus bikin sendiri juga ada.
Iya.
Bikin sendiri.
Acting juga loh bang.
Acting juga.
Ketika ketemu pertama itu
Iya.
disuruh acting. Oh iya. Coba kamu marah-marah sama PLN. Marah-marah sama petugas paket gitu atau apa biasanya? Apa di
Ya,
tesnya
kayak,
gimana?
kayak disuruh ngaca gitu terus kayak coba acting sedih. Coba acting marah.
Oh wow.
Ya,
Terus
aku
Itu pressure banget sih.
Bener.
ya, aku ingat waktu
Deg-degan
itu
itu.
yang paling lucu kita disuruh milih salah satu kegiatan bangun pagi. So, waktu itu aku milih kegiatan ya sesuatu.
betul.
Terus aku milihnya
Oke.
bangun pagi. Jadi kayak harus sikat gigi, harus sambil
Really?
dance and then expression gitu. Terus
Oke.
sikat gigi.
Kita lupa
Jadi
kasih
kita-
tahu.
iya, kita lupa kasih tahu.
Kita belum
Belum ada
ketemu sama
nih pas
Esther.
mereka bertiga ketemu.
Betul.
Oh, Esther belum ada.
Ini juga pertama kali nih aku denger.
Jadi
oh,
kalian
okay,
datang
okay.
ke studio itu di daerah Jakarta, ketemu bertiga, Esther
Iya,
belum
aku
ada.
Belum nyampe nih.
Terus dari teman-teman 88 kayak, ayo kita coba tes chemistry,
Oke.
ada tes actingnya juga ya gitu. Kamu mau acting apa gitu? Ditawarin berarti?
Iya, jadi kayak kategorinya apa nih gitu.
Oke.
Terus
Kamu milih?
Aku milih
Bangun pagi kamu ya?
Iya, kayak aktivitas sehari-hari bangun pagi gitu.
Oke. Kok ada dance-nya? Kamu tiap bangun kamu dance?
Kayaknya sih ya dia bangun
Begitu
pagi langsung
bangun
kayak
kamu langsung kayak,
That'd be fire though if she wakes up like that. Back bending.
kok ada dance-nya?
Jadi kayak kita buat kegiatannya tuh harus jadi kayak
diekspresikan dengan koreo juga.
Oh
benar.
wow, wow.
Nah di situ aku pengen pulang.
Karena harus mikir
Iya.
sendiri itu kan.
Dan mereka juga mungkin mau lihat kita di kamera gimana ekspresinya dan segala macam.
Kreativitasnya juga gitu.
Oke, kamu bangun pagi. Kamu apa?
Aku memang gitu. Kayak nggak usah kayak marah-marah tuh sedih apa gitu.
Kayaknya aku marah deh.
Iya. Oh, kita waktu itu disuruh pilih. Kita disuruh pilih.
Emosi.
Ada satu yang sedih, happy,
Marah.
5 macam gitu. Terus
Oke.
aku pokoknya bangun pagi sambil
Happy.
happy,
Oh,
aku happy.
Terus aku kalau nggak salah kayak diikat terus gimana caranya koreonya.
Okay. So
tuh
they had a different
mewakili
scenario
koreo
each
gitu.
time in the
Pakai
morning.
Koreo gitu.
Oh, oke. Itu kamu milih atau dipilihin tuh?
Kayak dipilih
Pilih
atau
sendiri.
kita kompimpa ya waktu itu ya.
Oh Pak, pilih sendiri satu.
Oh,
Iya.
oke.
Terus kamu apa?
Aku marah lah.
Was angry.
Ada lagi? Kenapa ada lagi?
Oh yeah, I could definitely see it. Definitely.
Dia hobinya
Emang apa lagi?
hobinya marah-marah.
Oh
Emang dia
gitu.
sukanya gitu emang.
Oh.
Kerjanya marah-marahin kita
Nanti
semua.
kita hitung berapa kali dia marah ya di
Di
podcast
sini ya.
ini.
Baru satu ya. Oke.
Ngaruh ini nggak? Belum makan, udah makan nggak kalau Baila?
Iya,
Kopi ya. Kalau belum
Kalau belum
makan,
ngopi.
Kalau belum ngopi.
Ngamuk ya.
Oke. Nah kamu kan nggak ikut nih pas mereka di tes apa segala macam.
Jadi
Begitu
pas
kamu
aku
masuk.
nyampe kayaknya santai-santai aja deh. Gak ada disuruh.
Oh itu udah berakhir tuh semuanya tuh ya.
Udah melewati
Parah
itu
sih.
deh.
Parah sih.
Pas Esther datang
Kayaknya-
memang kita langsung intensif latihan untuk trainingnya.
Untuk debut.
Untuk
Untuk
debutnya.
debutnya.
Oh susah loh itu kayak mengchemistry siapa 4 orang yang belum pernah ketemu,
Iya.
apalagi Kristi kan datang dari Lombok ya kan, baru pertama kali ketemu kan,
Yep.
bingung juga pasti
Iya.
ya. Ada cara-cara khusus nggak yang kalian lakukan supaya bonding gitu apa?
Sebenarnya tapi kita the minute we met
Langsung
masuk-masuk
sih.
aja kok kita
Oh
berempat.
gitu.
I don't know if it's like cause we're Indonesians and like
Honestly, that's a thing though, because like when you see a fellow Filipino, for me, at least for me, like when you see a Filipino, like, "Oi, Philippines! Oi, Filipino!" You know what I mean? Like that's just a good way to like break the ice. You know what I mean? Knowing that there's a person who knows your culture, is your race, knows the food, the artist, whatever the case, the memes. It's always like that. So it's always a good icebreaker. In general, I think it's good for Asians in general, because like, oh, Asian, yeah, me too. You know what I mean? It's so I think it's just in general.
tahu ya, gampang aja kita
Iya.
koneksinya.
And you can speak the language. I speak the language, so
Lama
there we
gitu
go.
ya.
It's another way
Perlu
too.
try too hard karena kita juga
Hold on a second, just double checking something real quick. Alright, we're good.
usia kita juga mirip-mirip dan
Okay, sorry. I was just
kita
checking
we
something.
go through the
Sorry.
same things.
I
Perjuangannya kan
see.
barengan tuh.
Selisihnya berapa sih antara Kristi sama kalian?
Kristi
Ayo
sama Syaz.
tebak.
Tebak umur
Kristi
mulu
sama Syaz
kayaknya.
berapa tahun ya?
Tiga
tahun.
Oh iya, masih
Sama
masih
kita
satu ini, satu bracket lah.
Iya.
Sorry.
Ada nggak yang
Damn.
kamu ingat di
That's the first time I
awal-awal
yawned in a
kenal
while.
yang supaya bonding lebih dapat, misalnya ternyata hobinya sama. Aku juga koleksi ini.
It's not that bad though.
Kita tuh kayak ke setiap member tuh aku beda-beda sih. Bondingnya
benar.
kayak aku sama Esther bondingnya bisa film sama musik gitu. Kalau aku
Oke.
sama Caca kita ya banyak ya deh
Apa ya?
lucu-lucuan meme.
Iya.
Lucu-lucuan lah ya kita.
Oh,
Terus aku mau
ngirim-ngirim itu ya?
Iya.
Ngirim-ngirim DM itu ya?
Betul.
Recehnya sama
Iya, benar.
Yeah, I see
Kalau aku sama
that.
Christy ya semuanya lah ya. Nggak bisa dibikin apa ya.
Bener.
Aku juga sama sih ke
Sama.
Ade juga, ke Bala juga, kayak sering
Kayak ada
juga.
beda-beda
Kayak
semua
ada
kita
porsinya.
masing-masing.
Jadi saling
Oke.
melengkapi justru.
Wow, iya. Dan ini kan juga Mei 2025 ya? Pertama kali debut kalian ya, debut kalian ya?
Oh,
Dan belum
Wow,
setahun
it's almost a
berarti kan?
year. Damn, it's almost a
Tapi
year.
your life changed dong
Yes.
Oh ya.
Yeah.
selama berapa bulan ini kan? Perubahan apa yang paling berasa? Kalau dari Esther apa?
Aduh apa ya guys?
Kesibukan udah pasti.
Kesibukan udah pasti sama gimana ya? Kayak my relationship with music has changed.
Dalam
Dari aku
arti?
dulu dalam arti sekarang kayaknya aku lebih protective of my artistry. Kayak aku nggak gampang terima gimana ya ngomongnya guys? You know what I mean, right? Kayak sebagai
Yeah.
nona kayak I want
Ah,
standard dan
okay.
kualitas itu
So she doesn't accept anything less. She always wants to like not necessarily be perfect, but be the best that it can
selalu
be.
tinggi gitu.
Oke.
Jadi kayak kita nggak sembarangan terima lagu-lagu yang we don't relate with atau kayak
Ah,
performance yang
there you
kita
go. Yeah, see.
we always try to protect our artistry. Dan dulu aku kayaknya nggak segitunya kalau nggak masuk ke nona.
Oh, as opposed kalau dulu
Kalau dulu kan
karena
aku
kamu
solo,
juga-
jadi
iya,
aku kayak ya udahlah kayak kalau nggak perfect
Oh,
juga
she-
nggak
it
apa-apa.
was just
it's
like
fine, it's just
half
me.
assing
Tapi
it,
now
yeah.
that I'm with these girls, kayak I have 3 other people to think about whenever
I
I make a
see.
decision. Jadi kayaknya
Lebih perfectionist.
Nice.
lebih perfectionist aja sih.
Oke.
Dan I think itu bukan cuma aku, I think all 4 of us feel the same way.
Oke.
Ever since kita di Nona.
Di antara kalian yang paling perfeksionis siapa?
Beda-beda sih.
Beda-beda
Oh,
ya?
aku baru mau nunjuk.
Wow. Let's go,
Karena
youngest.
kalau
Let's do it.
paling
Shaz. Ada.
Aduh.
Oke, ketika rekaman kah atau ketika video klip?
Nah itu beda-beda
Kalau-
kita.
Nah, kalau ketika rekaman sama diri dia sendiri bisa tuh dia sangat perfeksionis nggak keluar booth mungkin ya. Padahal kita udah kayak, "Dek, itu udah bagus banget loh." Beneran
suaranya
itu udah bagus
bagus
banget.
kok.
Dia kayak, "Enggak, ini ada satu yang menurut aku kurang. Yang mana, Dek? Yang ini."
Wow, can't even imagine doing
Tapi
the
perfeksionis. Nggak apa-apa,
TikTok, right?
bagus.
Betul.
Keren sih. Iya sih, total dong,
Tapi
total.
ada secara performance dia juga perfectionist banget.
Iya.
Kayak kemarin kita baru performance dengan MLBB.
Oke.
Dan itu pertama kali kita pakai dancers from Indonesia.
Oke.
Itu semuanya yang handle adik.
That's
Dia yang
crazy.
directing the dancers, kayak
camera.
detailing, kamera
Wow,
camera
hi,
work juga
Shaz.
semuanya
I
dia
see
yang,
you.
Dia yang handle. Nah dia tuh yang perfectionist banget. Aku sih duduk-duduk aja. Kita kayak sabar adek. Kita duduk aja. Nanti kayak adek bisa yuk nafas tarik nafas. Yuk bisa yuk.
Tapi aku suka banget setiap misalnya kayak kemarin experience MLBB ngebantuin dancersnya, kameranya tuh
Mobile
the three
lane.
of them like really help me. Kayak misalnya kalau aku ngerasa masih ada yang kurang atau apa, kayak mereka pasti kayak ngebantu kayak oke, gimana cara yang aku misalnya mau, dan karena I'm doing this for the team gitu kan.
Oke.
Jadi kerasa banget team effortnya. Jadi kayak the three of them always like support and like selalu kayak bantu aku juga gitu.
Kok kita ngerasa kayak ngerecokin ya, tapi itu kayak
Rasa kayak kita lebih nyebelin.
Tapi kalau soal koreo, Kristi pasti juga ngasih masukan juga ya.
Oh iya.
Dia lebih justru detail
konsepnya
banget.
keren banget. She's very
Iya,
detailed.
aku malah saking aku tahu aku detail banget, jadi aku kayak oke, tahan diri gitu.
Yeah,
Karena
oh
kalau
my
enggak,
god, it's so
per
Tagalog.
detik-detik aku kayak
kamu
wide,
iniin ya.
angle gitu.
Kalau Kristi tuh detailnya kayak ya lines and angle. Jadi kalau kayak ada penari yang bengkok dikit aja dia kayak
bisa lihat
benerin.
pasti, dia
Dia bisa lihat matanya tuh
Kita,
tajam banget.
not even dancers,
Oke.
like
Oh,
us.
ya, kita
Iya,
juga.
kalau
Wow.
Shaz tuh like bigger picture. Kayak in general tuh ini cantik atau enggak, kayak dilihat dari mata orang tuh bagus atau enggak.
Oh, berarti saling melengkapi dong.
Melengkapi,
Oh.
sangat.
Oh,
Yeah,
kalau kamu
complementary.
nenang-nenangin dia. Sabar ya, Dek. Dek, sabar ya, Dek.
Kita
Santai aja, Dek.
ajak bercanda, berantem kan.
Tapi nggak salah. Jadi kalau misalnya aku di depan, mereka langsung kayak
Oh iya.
Tenang adek.
It's okay.
Nah, tadi perubahan-perubahan kan. Kalau dari kamu sisi artistic integrity-nya kan, kamu pegang banget. Kalau dari fame, kamu gimana, Kristi? Kamu kan introvert kan? Has fame change you juga atau?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. I don't think so. I feel like they're popular, but I think there is so much room for them still to just have a life. I think they're still able to like do what they want to do because obviously when you're at a level like the very big if in like in general K-pop groups for example, like if you're in that level of like usually popular, it is kind of impossible for you to just be alone in the mall or something. I think pretty much Nona is at the level where yes, they're gonna be recognized and also obviously be hounded by paparazzi and all, but I think it's not at the level where they cannot be themselves and that they have to change. I think
Kayak gimana
it's the
tuh?
same.
Kalau aku sih selalu selalu apa ya, sama aja sih kayak
Sama aja ya?
sama kehidupan aku yang dulu.
Oke.
Selalu nggak pernah berubah, selalu suka makan warteg, selalu suka makan ini semua
Suka makan
segala
wortel.
macam. Warteg.
Oh,
Semua orang lagi pada model.
okay. I was about to say what's a word though?
Suka makan wortel. Kok gue nanya? Kok gini ya wortel?
Lucu sih kalau ambil
Wortel.
Ya udah wortel deh.
Oke. Makasih loh, dikasih loh.
Terus juga aku ngerasa mungkin karena dari dulu dari kecil aku selalu sibuk latihan,
Oke.
ada perform juga, ikut lomba juga. Jadi aku ngerasa kesibukan sama yang sekarang juga nggak beda-beda jauh sih. Aku selalu kayak
oke.
kalau dulu abis dari pulang latihan ini langsung sini gitu. Jadi sekarang sama aja, cuma
Famous.
bedanya ya sekarang aku lebih
I'm
mencoba
more
hal
fa-
baru
oh, oke.
nyanyi,
Hmm.
lebih kayak sekarang harus improve nyanyinya gitu aja sih.
Sama paling banyak orang yang merhatiin juga kali ya. Karena pasti komen-komen kalian kan banyak yang notice, banyak yang ngefans gitu kan ya.
Oke.
Kamu ada interaksi sama fans yang menarik? Yang bisa kamu share nggak?
Interaksi sama
Pernah
fans
dikasih
yang
kado yang lucu
Dila,
kah?
Oh, aku suka banget dipanggil Dila, nggak tahu kenapa.
Suka banget dipanggil Dila.
Kayak orang suka manggil namaku salah.
Oh,
Dila.
bukan Baila tapi Dila.
Kalau nggak Dila, Bila, Bella.
Bila
Baila.
Tapi aku selalu suka, aku nggak pernah benerin. Aku kayak yes, that's me. I love it so much. Nggak, tapi interaksi fans. Aku tuh selalu, aku kan udah lama hilang ya. Maksudnya dari solo pun aku udah dari COVID aku udah selesai. Jadi aku udah lama nggak nyanyi, aku udah lama nggak manggung gitu-gitu. Tapi aku selalu salut sama pengikut-pengikut aku dari Idol Junior
Wow,
dari
that's
which is like
crazy. That's like
2014.
Wow.
Yang sampai sekarang
Wow,
pun aku
12 years
baru
ago.
ketemu lagi tuh pas Nona kemarin, terus aku kayak oh my god. Udah gede banget, soalnya kayak we grew up together. So ya aku seneng-seneng aja sih ketemu sama fans-fans yang dari Idol Junior.
Oke.
Karena aku Idol Junior bukan Idol gede.
Oh, Idol Junior.
Idol gede.
Kalau kamu Idol
ini
gede.
idol gede, ini idol gede.
Kalau ada Idol lansia sih aku ikut sih. Nah, debutnya 2 Mei 2025 langsung
I was there. Was it May 2? Oh no.
manggung
Never
di
mind.
Head
It
in the Cloud.
was June. Was it May 1? It was May 1 or was that day 1, day 2? I think that was that was day 1.
Clouds di LA.
Yes.
31 Mei.
Yeah, that was day 1. Yeah, it was day 1.
Langsung main di festival gede.
It was
Itu masih inget
amazing.
gak pertama kali tegangnya apanya. Itu dari sound
Dude, it was so hot that day. It was crazy because June 1 was much cooler. It was hot. It was so hot that day. It was so hot to the point when I was recording Nona, my phone could not record because it was overheating. It wasn't because of the sun though. It was because of them. Damn, that their outfit of Baila still hits me to the core. But anyways, they're amazing. I don't want to obviously get into it because obviously it's a long video already. But if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Nona performance and overall my experience at Head in the Clouds, it is on the link down below. So
cek aja udah keringet dingin kali ya. Apa gimana
itu
tuh waktu itu?
deg-degannya luar biasa sih.
yeah.
Tapi kayak deg-degannya not just because itu apa performance perdana, tapi keluarga kita juga semuanya terbang
yeah,
just to watch
it's
us.
nice.
Oh.
I,
Dan
s-
kita
I remember
sebenarnya
them
tuh nggak pernah
shouting them
tampil
out.
di depan keluarga kita sama sekali.
Iya.
Kayak kita udah training 2 tahun tuh aku nggak pernah kasih lihat papa mama apa-apa. Kayak I never tell them what I do.
Oh.
Tapi sampai mereka terbang kayak itu
Oh, that's nice.
itu sih yang bikin deg-degan, bukan penontonnya.
Oh,
Pressure
lebih
juga,
Honestly, it's kinda
karena
crazy they
ada
didn't get
keluarga.
emotional.
jujur.
Tapi thankfully the crowd was so fun ya.
Yeah.
Di CCC LA. Jadi aku juga nggak sadar pas perform juga kita kayak enjoy aja. Dan bener-bener nggak pretending atau apa gitu. We were just
I see.
having fun on stage. And you can see from the videos kayak we were actually present gitu at the moment.
Ada nangis-nangisnya nggak setelah
Yeah,
selesai?
definitely. I would
Kayaknya
definitely
saking
think.
kita kayak pertama ngos-ngosan, keringetan,
Panas
kedua
ya.
Hot,
keringetan,
bro.
ketiga nggak sabar ketemu keluarga, jadi kayak kita nggak nangis ya guys.
Tapi mami-maminya yang
Mami-maminya
nangis.
nangis.
Iya,
Mami-maminya
lihat
nangis.
anak-anaknya kan.
Iya.
Udah nyampe LA.
Mami-maminya nangis malah kita yang enggak apa-apa.
Udah selesai.
Iya. Abis itu kelar besoknya pada nanya oleh-oleh bagus di mana?
Yeah, that's definitely a
Aja buat ini si Om ini nitip,
Asian
Om.
thing.
Tante ini nitip.
Or to eat,
Nah,
or to eat.
2 tahun trainingnya. Apa namanya itu training betul?
Benar.
Apa sih?
Bisa dibilang training.
Setahun di Jakarta, setahun di
2
LA.
years. Okay.
Dan itu bisa aja nggak lanjut kan? Apa gimana tuh kalau
I
kayak gitu?
think it was already fixed from the beginning sih.
Berarti
I think
investmentnya
trainingnya,
lumayan ya?
trainingnya kita tuh bukan training. Kita training langsung belajar menjadi nona gitu. Bukan training kita.
Bukan kayak apa ya? Apa sih yang biasanya
Beda
kayak
sih.
bisa dieliminasi gitu.
Not like
nggak
K-pop,
gitu.
not like
Berarti udah
Korea.
kontrak. Ini it's a 2-year project sampai akhirnya debut gitu.
Iya. Namanya artist development.
Artist development.
It's
That's
not
what I was
artist
gonna say.
development,
It's not training.
It's not training. Jadi mereka itu lebih ke kayak nih kita buka pembahasan, kita Nona mau bawa
Okay,
kemana,
that's- yeah, it's not-
genre
it's
musiknya
not like
mau
Korea.
apa, narinya mau seperti
Korea.
apa. Dan
Korea.
Kita work together with Indonesian creatives as well.
Oh iya.
Yes.
It's huge investment ya buat 88 Rising ya. Karena kan kita bertaruh 2 tahun loh untuk kalian.
That
kan,
is a big
di-develop
investment.
sedemikian
2
rupa.
years.
That's why it's so much pressure.
That's 600 days, bro.
Benar.
Apa aja
650
yang di
to be
develop?
exact.
Kalau kamu mungkin
Is
apa soal nyanyi ya berarti
Ya,
ya?
pasti nyanyi.
Oke, lainnya soal personal branding adakah? Do and don'ts-nya?
Itu yang
ini?
bikin aku pertama kali pengen say yes sama 88 Rising is because they don't want to change
Us.
who we are
I
and
see.
our personalities. Malah di training development, artist development itu kita malah disuruh cari diri sendiri sih lebih kayak who are you, kayak
Iya.
kamu tuh sebenarnya kayak gimana sih gitu. Bukan
bagus
malah
juga
kayak mencari
Ya.
persona lain gitu.
Dan coach kita dulu juga very emphasize on why. Why do you want to be in this girl group? Kayak
Menarik.
ya kayak alasan kenapa kita jadi girl group tuh apa?
Yeah.
Apa yang kamu bawa di keluar sana? Kayak what do you want to represent from your country yang kamu mau bawa secara global?
Menarik tuh, karena kalau datangnya secara inherent dari diri sendiri, kita ngelakuinnya jadi lebih rela
Ya,
juga kan.
benar.
Ketimbang datang label eksekutif kayak
Ya,
Tell
baiklah,
us what to
kamu
do."
ngamuk-ngamuk ya nanti ya, biar ada drama
sih.
ya, bisa.
Yeah, do it. Angry Baila. Let's do it.
salah ya.
Itu nggak bisa.
Disuruh nangis baru kayak nggak bisa kok.
Oke, kalau kayak gitu apa why-nya? Kalau kamu apa why-nya? Kenapa kamu mau di Nona?
Kita semua bikin why-nya yang bareng-bareng sih.
Oke.
Kayak sebagai nona itu kita pengen Indonesia lebih banyak dikenal di global, secara global. Terus karena kita ngerasa banyak banget talents Indonesia kan yang bisa kita talents, cultures, bahasa, semuanya yang kita pengen represent gitu di luar sana. There's a lot
Rich
of
Brian,
other artists that have
Nikki.
done that and we wanna
Hearts to
be
Hearts.
with them and
with,
use that pathway as
Carmen.
well gitu.
Dita.
Ya, terus banyak sih, and then secara personal juga pasti kita juga ada alasan-alasan kenapa kita pengen membuktikan kepada
I'll probably go to
orang
30
atau ke diri
minutes.
sendiri juga. Jadi coach kita
Almost
juga
there,
ngajarin alasan itu harus ada dua, yang satu itu
Do like halfway. Let's do halfway.
untuk diri kita apa, satu itu untuk
sebagai
orang
nona.
lainnya apa.
Oh, ya.
gitu. Karena nggak bisa cuma diri kita sendiri doang atau orang lain doang.
Salah kita.
Ya.
Iya benar.
Tapi itu yang ngebuat jalannya jadi jauh tuh karena itu juga ya.
Ya,
Karena
jadi
kan ada
whenever we feel like giving up, kita kayak
We go back
kita
to
harus
the
go
why.
back to the why.
What is the why?
Ya.
Nah, kalau untuk lagu-lagunya, berarti selama
Always,
2 tahun
always go to
artis
the why.
development ini,
What are you doing this for?
lagu-lagu kalian juga di-develop bareng ketika itu kah? Atau gimana tuh untuk soal songs
Kita
Kita
nyoba
pas
banyak genres gitu.
Di LA kita sempat berapa
Wah,
lagu
banyak
tuh kita
banget.
rekam.
Kita kayak ada 500 lagu kali ya.
Iya.
1256
Oh, lima.
Bagi 3 boleh tuh kayaknya.
Ya, jadi we tried so many different genres yang sampai kita dapet yang kayak oh ini
Ini nona
nih, guys,
banget
gitu.
nih gitu.
Dan itu
Oh
juga
my
kita
God,
dapat
500 songs.
lagu shoot juga nggak lama.
Iya.
Nggak lama sebelum kita
Debut, benar.
Karena kita ngerasa kayak oh my god,
Deket-deket
that's
banget.
it. That's
Iya.
it, that's Nona.
Jadi selama
Oop, hold on a second. Someone is calling me. Okay, I'm back. I had a phone call. Okay, do it.
development, lagu shoot yang akhirnya nembus Korean apa? Billboard apa segala macam itu, didapetinnya sebelum debutnya justru.
deket-deket sebelum debut ya.
Deket-deket sebelum debut itu baru dapat satu lagu yang Nona banget.
Iya.
Berarti sebelumnya ada begitu banyak songs yang di scrap.
Sebenarnya tetap
Bener.
Nona banget, cuman we felt that Shoot was the most debutable song. Kayak
Debuable
yang-
song. Debuable song.
Maksudnya yang
Apa
kayak
tuh
buat
debuable?
perdana tuh paling bagus strateginya kita pakai Shoot dulu. Karena
Betul.
Shoot itu yang kayak
I agree. I feel like if they went towards the work or sizzle, it's probably people are gonna be like, oh, it's just K-pop. Like there are people who are like that, and I am not like that. But I probably would have been like, oh my god, this reminds me of that. I like the fact that they went with Shoot because it is very very early 2000s. It is very very soulful R&B, very very just refreshing and chill. I feel like the vocals really stood out right away, the visuals, and it was already able to give them like such an identity in terms of music. And then later on, obviously, their music that came after that, obviously, very very similar. And then they're established with their music. They go into sizzle and work, and it's just like wow. They had their concept, they changed it, and it is damn good. So I think that was a great strategy.
yes ada
The core,
Nona
there we go.
core-nya
There is
on
always a
Shoot,
core.
but
The
also
co-
like older generation can listen to it. It's very easy listening. Younger
Iya sih.
generation can
Yeah.
listening to
Iya
it.
sih.
Dan kayak semua orang in different
TikTok
target market,
trends,
different segmentation
shorts, all of that.
Shoot masih bisa masuk.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Karena catchy-nya itu.
Iya.
Very catchy.
I mean, we'd like to think that it's catchy.
Iya.
Iya.
Karena kalau yang work memang lebih beat
Iya,
gitu
iya.
kan.
Lebih tersegmentasi gitu loh. Targetnya beda.
Oh,
Iya.
jadi itu memang strategi ya berarti ya. Kita yang pakai yang ini dulu. Habis itu begitu mereka udah
Udah
dapet
dapet
ini,
nih Nona.
kita kasih
Keluarin.
dikit nih. Oh, I see.
Gitu.
Oh, wow.
Tapi aku ingat banget pas awal-awal pas akhirnya kita ketemu sound kita,
Uh-uh.
itu aku seneng banget karena mulai dari setelah kita ketemu identitas kita secara musik, lagu-lagu yang setelah itu aku jadi kayak, oh
This is so
ini
Nona.
Nona banget gitu. Jadi setelah from that on tuh aku jadi bisa
Almost halfway.
membedakan lagu-lagu yang kita banget sama yang
Let's
enggak
just-
gitu.
let's just keep going
I
as
mean,
much
maybe
as we
that's
can.
where we started, but then for the future kita would like to explore a lot of other
Yeah.
things.
Genres.
Yeah.
Iya.
Ada yang belat-belat gitu nggak di antara library kalian nanti?
Kita udah ada sih ballad ya.
Hold on a second. Someone's texting me.
Sudah,
Okay,
Bang.
Kita
very
ada
good.
seri lullaby.
Yeah.
Oh, yang
Lullaby
yang
sih,
itu ya.
disebut.
Yang
Ada the one juga, it's quite slow.
Quite slow.
Yeah.
Oke.
Sad
Orchid
face.
sekalian itu kan
Yeah.
penggemar kalian. itu ya.
Marcus! Shout
Tapi
out!
sekarang kita jedak-jeduk dulu.
Kita jaga dulu ya guys.
Iya, itu emang ini banget sih. Karena kan sebelum ketemu kalian, gue dengerin lagi dulu kan lagu-lagu kalian kan. Yang paling baru yang work itu kan.
Iya.
Tadi gue bangun jam berapa ya? Mungkin udah jam 7, setengah 7, udah nyalain itu kan.
Aduh. Aduh, semangat
Udah
nggak
nyalain.
langsung.
Terus si istri gue kayak, tumben banget kamu pagi-pagi se-energetic ini.
I mean, it's an energy song.
Aduh,
Semua
mana?
harus dengerin work baru bangun ya guys.
Iya, biar bangun.
That's definitely a song you would I would work up to. Wake up
Sama
to.
sore-sore kalau udah mulai
To wake you
ngantuk,
up.
work lagi.
Work, like,
Iya, betul.
Bangun lagi.
Betul. Oke, kalau diskusi-diskusinya pasti ada creative difference juga dong antara kalian kan. Itu biasanya yang paling banyak didebatkan tuh seperti apa tuh?
Jarang lagi.
Apa enggak justru?
Enggak.
Aku nggak tahu sih karena kita kayak emang made for each other atau emang kita nggak enakan. Tapi we never fight.
Masih setahun ya.
Baru setahun kali ya.
Baru setahun.
Tapi kayak apapun itu kita selalu mikirin together as a team sih karena kayak misalnya ditanya kayak menurut kamu ini kayak gimana? Aku nggak pernah mikirin untuk diri aku sendiri gitu.
Benar.
Aku mikirin untuk semuanya.
Oke.
Dan semuanya juga kayak gitu. Jadi makanya kita nggak
it's
pernah
like it's
clashing.
it's not me versus you gitu loh. It's like
It's us versus everyone.
versus the
everyone.
problem.
Jadi your opinion
Everyone is great.
Everyone matters.
Us versus everybody.
semua diajak ribut.
Iya, jadi kalau misalnya Esther ada opini apa, aku akan selalu mencoba mengerti opini dia karena pasti dia ngasih tahu opini itu untuk kita gitu kan. Jadi
Oke.
that's why we never fight karena it's us
Against the
together,
problem.
against the
Against the
problem,
problem.
bukan
Not everybody.
bukan me versus you gitu.
Dan kadang juga selera kita beda-beda. Jadi kadang apa yang Esther mau, aku nggak gitu. Jadi kayak, oh ya, you can take it gitu. Kamu bisa ambil itu.
Oh.
Atau kita cari jalan tengahnya, gimana cara ada Esthernya, ada Christy-nya gitu, for
Yeah.
example gitu.
Oke.
And I think that's the good thing about all of us being adults is that it's easy for us to understand each other.
Lebih mature
Iya,
jadinya.
kayak gampang gitu loh kalau ngobrol satu sama yang lain.
We're adults.
We're adults.
that's a nice post.
Oke.
I think it's a good place to end, right? Because I actually want to talk about this. I love the fact that they talk about it in a way where they know that they're adults. And I think that is very beneficial because I'm not hating on my own favorite genre in that's K-pop, but like even obviously in general, when we are younger, we are not as mature, or maybe not. I am a little bit immature sometimes, but I definitely say I am much more mature in a lot of aspects of life compared to like 16 to 18-year-old me, even 21-year-old me. I'm 30. So there is definitely a big difference when it comes to like how you see things, and not just you personally, but also how you would treat other people in terms of like their views and like their opinions, their ideas and all. Like obviously if I'm in a team right now, right? Obviously back then you're thinking, oh, I'm the man, or I want to be like this one. But then next you know you're like, okay, I'm looking at it in a different perspective of like, okay, I need to know if this person agrees or if this person's okay with it, because obviously you don't want to rub anybody wrong, right? I feel like in the industry, especially considering they're adults, they know they have the more mature and more like stronger basis of what they want to do. I feel like they're able to stand up for themselves more. There is always like a matter of like, especially, and I'm not shading, but like if you're younger, you sometimes you don't understand the industry itself. I feel like that's the benefit for having especially Pilot, right? Like she's been there forever. Like she said, she's been there an idol since 2014, or an artist. Um, she has so much. I'm pretty sure back then she probably had so much like obstacles, so many different things that hindered her, or maybe people that just saw the bad, or like were trying to do bad. I'm pretty sure that's happened. I mean, that happens to everybody. That's normal. You know what I mean? I think your mindset and your I wouldn't say patience, but like your overall mindset in general is different from when you're older, because you go through all these things, especially for the first time. You don't experience heartbreak at 5, right? You don't experience heartbreak at 12. Maybe you did, but you experience heartbreak like what? High school. So like 16 to like 21. Something happens, you get rejected, heartbreak. That's where the hormones come in and all. Obviously, when you're like 29, 30, you know what it feels like to be heartbroken. You know what to do when you're heartbroken, or if it happens again. But when you're looking for somebody else, someone for you for the future, you don't make the same mistakes. That's the same thing that has to go with the industry. I feel like K-pop is at a point where I feel it's amazing. I love it. It is the greatest thing. Do I agree with the generations being younger and like the idols being younger? I am 50-50 on it. I feel like the talent is there. It's amazing, obviously, to see, these, young girls, young men, just be like following their dreams and obviously being in a K-pop group. At the same time, there is definitely, cases where they're not mature enough to understand the whole industry as itself, and even with them each other. You know what I mean? Like it is definitely different when you have two different people, totally different people at like 16, 15, have not really gone through the ways of life yet, and then obviously put in all the training, all of the stress, all of the company stuff, the haters, the fans. It's a lot. It's a lot for someone young. Would I have been able to take all the criticism and hate at 16 compared to now? Now I don't care. But I definitely would have taken it very badly at my age at like 16, because I definitely think I was more sensitive back then. But now you're just used to it. Sadly, that's how it is. And I think that's a great thing for Nona, is that they're able to see things much more in a different perspective that benefits not only them but also the girls, the rest of them, the company in general, their name known, and their families. And I think that's very, very great. this is a great way to end it. I think I'm gonna end it right here. I don't. Again, I think I'm not even sure if I'm over, but we will get on to part two. So overall, I'm really loving the fact that we're getting to see more of their personalities. It's really nice to see Christy being very, because every time I always see Christy, she's very like quiet. She's very introverted. Everybody usually gets more of the talking spots and all. So it's nice to see her laughing and all. So, Shaz, I definitely saw like that she was the one who's very, very technical with dance and all. She, man, but damn impressive that she is literally like the backup dancers and all trying to be so proficient. Also with Christy too, like trying to be angles, right? Angles, lines and angles. Obviously Baila, giving her experiences of like what's it like to be with fans, because she knows how it is, and I think her experience will help the girls a lot, especially with Esther too. And I think Esther too, with the entire premise of her wanting to always be perfect, not just for herself, but for the rest of the girls, because they want to be the best they want to be, right? But at the same time, it's also for them to be learning and also trying to be the best they can be. It's a great future for these girls. I think their mindset alone is going to get them very, very far. And if anyone does them wrong, they're just going to be adults, right? And, take it on head on. So, yeah, man, I'm very, very excited for the future of this group. I'm very excited for the rest of this interview. I will probably see you guys right away, probably tomorrow or the other next day. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Go check out more from Nona. Like I said, it was fun. I don't get the views, but I kind of do. I really do want to appreciate Indonesia. Obviously, they have been home for so many K-pop idols already in general, and also just artists in general. Here to appreciate Nona again. I'm going for part two. I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys again want to know my entire experience at Head in the Cloud, since they talked about it, it's on the link down below. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.